Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to solve day 29 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 3300. Minimum element after replacement with the digit sum. Very easy problem. So in this problem you are given an integer array nums. You replace each element in nums with the sum of its digits, and we have to return the minimum element in nums after all replacements. And constant size is also very small. Nums total length is from 1 to 100 and nums of I values from 1 to 10 power 4. So here if you see this example number 1, so sum of all the digits of this particular number is 1. Sum of all the digits of this particular number is 3. Sum of all the digits of this particular number is 4. Sum of all the digits of this particular number is 5. So among this 1, 3, 4 and 5, 1 is smallest, so we have to return 1. So nums becomes like this after all replacements with minimum element 1. That's it. So we have to just do the sum of digits and we have to find out the minimum. That's it. Let's write the code. Very easy. So here I will write one helper method to calculate the sum of all the digits. So it's very simple. So private int, let's name this as helper method only. Here I will just pass one number, and for this particular number I need to find the sum of digits. So here what I will do, I will create one variable int sum is equal to 0. Then I will run one while loop, and in the while loop I will write while your num value is not equal to 0. And what you need to do here, sum is equal to sum plus take the last digit of this particular number, so num modulus with 10, and every time you have to divide this number with 10. That's it. In this way you will calculate the sum of all the digits of a particular number. Here you will simply return sum from this helper method. And here what you need to do, you have to just iterate over all the elements in your nums array. So int num, you can use enhanced for loop, and here let's create one variable int x, and I will get the x value using this helper method. In this helper method I will pass the num value. So x is nothing but the sum of digits of this particular number, and we have to return the mean value. So here I will give mean value as integer dot max underscore value, and once this is done, then here you are getting some x value, right? So here every time you have to update the mean value as math dot mean of, here mean value you have seen so far and the x value, and here you have to simply return mean. That's it. This is your code. Now let's run it and see if the code issue will try to fix that. So see, all the test cases has been passed. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is up to right. And what is going to be the time complexity for this one? So here we are iterating over all the elements in my nums array. So here you can say n times we are running of n times, and here I'm calling the helper method, and let's say this helper method that I'm calling is running for number of digits time, right? Here, so you can say your time complexity is going to be of n into d. That's it. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Next video. Thank you. Bye bye.